tags with ActiveCampaign and email pref. So this is after the integration what we have done on email pref, and we have linked it to ActiveCampaign. So on the right hand side is my ActiveCampaign sandbox, and on the left hand side is my email pref dashboard. So if you see, I'm heading on the tags on ActiveCampaign. I have 3 different tags here, and on the list I have various other lists also in ActiveCampaign. So if I hover onto list, I can see exactly the sync created between list and on ActiveCampaign also at the same time. So what I'm interested right now is playing around with tags. So I'll just go on the tags, and I'll create basically a list on email pref and link it to a specific tag on ActiveCampaign. So I'll say create list, and I'll just keep the description add tag so we have a complete understanding of what this is doing, and product updates. Add a description, I'll just add PU for now so we have a complete understanding, and save. So once I create a list, now I need to hover on the sync icon and link it to a specific tag on ActiveCampaign. So I click sync, select my integration, and then select tag. So now if I see, this will roll all my tags in real time. So I'll just refresh this to show you how the integration functions. So now it's loaded all my tags in real time. So I click product updates, since this is specifically for product updates, and click accept. So I create 2 other tags also, 2 other lists also to link it with specific tags. So create list, again add tag, and I'll keep it market. I'll just put M for now so we know marketing, and I'll put marketing in the description, save. Create a sync between a tag, and this should be marketing, accept. And also the last list I'll just create for newsletters, add tag news. I'll just put news, and here I'll put custom news, and save. So just create the last sync with the tag, select tag, and link this to newsletters, accept. So right now we have created a list in email pref and linked it to a specific tag. The next step would be create an action. So sending information from email pref to ActiveCampaign. So I'll create new action, click on my integration, and then click tag a contact. So I'll click action name. So I'll click action name, add PU. So PU is product updates. Need to select the list on the email pref side so we have a complete understanding of what information we are sending to ActiveCampaign. So I click on the list on email pref side, which is add tag product updates, and the external tag, which is product updates. So we can select the action on subscribe and unsubscribe. So on subscribe, I'll click add tag. On unsubscribe, I'll click remove tag and accept. I'll just create the other 2 also real quick, which is tag a contact. Again, action name, I'll put add marketing for marketing. I'll just search add marketing, which is add tag M, external tag marketing, on subscribe, add tag, on unsubscribe, remove tag. So I'll just create 2 actions right now. So sending information back to ActiveCampaign. The last step is about adding this to your preference page. So I'll just remove the lists from here, what I have predefined, which I had in the last video. So I'll just remove this and add the list, which are add product updates. So I'll change this name. I'll just keep the name the same right now, so you have complete understanding, save. And I'll add the other list, which is, it was add tag M marketing, and save preference page. So I'll just go to the contact, which is sean@yahoo.com. I'll just take this contact real quick, and I'll show you how it works. So I'll refresh this page. If I refresh this page, you'll be able to see the new updates here. So if we see add tag product updates is already there, since the customer already had product updates. So let's say I just want to unsubscribe from product updates and subscribe to add tag marketing, save preferences. I'll refresh the ActiveCampaign sandbox. So if you see on the right hand side, the tag of product updates will be removed and marketing will be added. So if you see, marketing is added and product updates has been removed specifically. So I'll just add product updates, also subscribe to product updates again, and save preferences. Refresh the right hand side, and you should see product updates also added. If any tag is not added, we have a nightly sync which syncs data from email pref to ActiveCampaign regularly. The main reason why the tag would not be added would be because of the webhook is received late from ActiveCampaign. So if you see now, I'll show you another use case what we have, which you can play around, which is if you see we have newsletters as a list, and also we have newsletters as a tag on ActiveCampaign. So I'll just create a newsletter. I'll create a list of newsletter. So if you see here, we have already created a list of newsletter. I'll create an action of the same list and link it to a list and a tag at the same time. So I create integration ActiveCampaign, tag a contact. I click add newsletter tag, letter tag. The list I'll select, so I can select the list. If I can link this to a particular list now, so say I'll link it to newsletter list. So the list we're linking it to is this list on the right hand side, which is ActiveCampaign newsletter. The external tag I'm linking it to is newsletters. And on subscribe, I'll select add tag, and on unsubscribe, I'll say remove tag and save. So now what I've done is I've linked the newsletter list to the newsletter tag. And if I refresh, I'll just add this to the preference page real quick. Edit, list, add newsletters. So this was newsletters, and save. And save preference page. So I'll refresh my preference page real quick, and if you see on the left hand side, we'll have the updates from ActiveCampaign in real time. So if you see there's no tag newsletters and the person is unsubscribed. So this is reading information from ActiveCampaign in real time. So now say I want to subscribe to newsletters, save preferences, and on the right hand side, this will add newsletters, and also it will add the tag for newsletters. So if you see, this is subscribe to newsletters and also added the tag of newsletters.